Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to instantly copy an entire worksheet tab into a brand new separate workbook using a hidden right-click shortcut sequence. First, look at the very bottom left corner over the specific sheet tab you want to export. Right-click. Look near the middle of the list and click on the Move or Copy button. You can also press these following keys sequentially: Alt, then H, then O, then M. A dedicated dialog box will pop up containing your relocation controls. Look for the drop-down menu at the top labeled To Book. Click it and switch the destination from your current file name to New Book. Crucial step. Look down at the bottom left corner of that exact same window and check the box explicitly labeled Create a Copy. If you forget to check this box, Excel will physically rip the tab out of your original workbook and move it over entirely. Checking it ensures your source file remains completely untouched. Click OK. Excel will instantly generate a brand new, unsaved workbook on your screen containing a perfect, standalone clone of your worksheet. And that's it. Your worksheet tab is perfectly exported and ready for a separate save. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.